Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into Ahrefs, one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or agency owner, you've probably heard of it. But in 2025, is Ahrefs still worth the price? Let's break it down. Here's the Ahrefs homepage. The brand is all about one thing, giving you the tools to grow your website traffic, rank higher in Google, and crush your competitors with data. Let's walk through the key sections of the platform and what they offer. Site Explorer. This is where the magic starts. Plug in any URL and see detailed backlink data, organic search traffic, top pages, and competitors' SEO strategies. Keywords. Explorer. Want to know which keywords are worth targeting? This tool shows you search volume, keyword difficulty, clicks, CPC, and more, all across different search engines. Site Audit. Find technical SEO issues on your site, broken links, slow pages, duplicate content, and get a roadmap to fix them. Rank Tracker. Track how your keywords are ranking over time, by location, and across devices. Content Explorer. Discover high-performing content in any niche, get backlink prospects, and see what's working for others. What makes Ahrefs so powerful is the depth of its data. The backlink index is one of the largest in the world, and the keyword database is massive. You can easily reverse engineer your competitors' traffic strategies. Pros. Incredibly accurate backlink and keyword data. All in one SEO suite. No need for multiple tools. Fast and intuitive interface content and competitor insights that actually drive results. Solid documentation and learning resources. Cons, it's expensive, especially for solo users or small businesses. No free trial, only a limited $7 for 7 days plan is gone. Some features can be overwhelming for beginners. No direct integration with Google Analytics or Search Console. So, is Ahrefs worth it in 2025? If you're serious about SEO, running multiple sites, or managing clients, 100% yes. It's one of the most reliable and comprehensive SEO tools out there. But if you're just getting started or on a tight budget, you might want to explore simpler, cheaper alternatives first. Check it out at Ahrefs and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more honest software reviews. See you in the next one.